Let's be real, you are tired of sweating through your shirt and you absolutely refuse to deal with an ugly exhaust hose hanging out your window. Stick around because I found the exact units that actually cool your room without making you rebuild your entire window frame.
Number 6. Uthfy Swamp Cooler. When I first pulled this out of the box, I was actually pretty optimistic because it has a clean commercial look to it. It stands fairly tall and promises a wide oscillation range, which you would think translates to a perfectly chilled room. I filled up the water tank, tossed in the ice packs, and turned it on, expecting a wave of Arctic air to hit my face. Well, that is not exactly what happened. The airflow is undeniably strong, I will give it that. If you are standing directly in front of it, you definitely feel a breeze. It uses an evaporative cooling method, meaning it pulls hot air through wet cooling pads to drop the temperature. For the first 20 minutes, it felt like a highly upgraded box fan. But here is where things went downhill. You know, nobody warns you about the noise. I mean, turning this thing up to its highest setting sounds like you have a small jet engine idling in your living room. I tried to watch a movie with the Uthfy running a few feet away, and I had to turn the television volume up to an uncomfortable level just to hear the dialogue. It is distractingly loud. On top of the noise, there's the humidity issue. Because it pumps moisture into the air to cool the room, my living room started feeling incredibly sticky after about an hour. It felt less like a crisp, cool oasis and more like a tropical rainforest. Number 5. Hessaire MC37M 3100 CFM Evaporative Cooler. If you have done any research on evaporative coolers, you have probably seen this name floating around. It is incredibly popular online, boasting a massive 3,100 cubic feet per minute of airflow. That number alone made me eager to finally test it out. When I fired it up on a hot Tuesday afternoon, the sheer power was obvious. This machine pushes a massive amount of air. It is designed to cool larger spaces, and you can absolutely feel the reach. I set it up in my open concept kitchen, and the breeze reached all the way to the front door. For moving air around a big room, it is an absolute beast. But you know, power is not everything. Let me explain. What really bugged me about the Hessaire, the build quality feels surprisingly cheap for the price point. The plastic housing feels thin, and when the fan is running at high speeds, the whole unit sort of rattles. It just does not feel like a premium appliance you would want sitting in the middle of your nicely decorated home. Then there's the maintenance. I found the water delivery system to be finicky. Sometimes the pump would struggle to saturate the cooling pads evenly, which means you get regular room temperature air blowing out of one side, while the other side is slightly cooler. Plus, emptying and cleaning the reservoir was honestly a chore. It's messy, and if you don't clean it regularly, it starts to smell like a damp basement. 4. HUMHOLD 14,000 BTU portable air conditioners. Let me just address the elephant in the room right away. While you might be looking for totally hose-free convenience, I included this true AC unit because of how incredibly manageable it is compared to the older, clunky models. If you live somewhere with high humidity, where a swamp cooler just will not cut it, this is where you need to look. This thing packs 14,000 BTUs of raw cooling power. When I tested it in my primary bedroom, the results were night and day compared to the evaporative coolers. It actually removes heat from the room rather than just blowing wet air around. I turned it on at 3 in the afternoon, and within 30 minutes, the entire room was delightfully crisp and cold. What really impressed me was the built-in dehumidifier function. Here's what matters. Pulling moisture out of the air is half the battle when you are trying to stay cool. The HUMHOLD does this brilliantly. The air feels lighter and vastly more comfortable. It is a standing unit that rolls smoothly on its casters, so moving it from the bedroom to the home office was totally effortless. Operating it is also incredibly straightforward. The control panel makes sense, and the remote control is highly responsive. You do not have to mess around with ice packs or constantly fill a water tank. You set your target temperature, and the machine just does the heavy lifting. 3. MEPTY Swamp Cooler. This brings us back into true windowless territory, and this is where evaporative technology actually starts to shine. I was skeptical after my experience with the earlier swamp coolers, but the MEPTY surprised me from the moment I set it up in my guest room. First off, the design is sleek and unobtrusive. It looks like a modern tower fan rather than a piece of industrial equipment. The oscillation feature is fantastic, sweeping cool air across a really wide angle. Instead of just blasting a single spot on the couch, it actively cools the entire seating area. It made a noticeable difference during a particularly warm weekend when I had friends over. The key to getting the most out of the MEPTY is using the included ice packs. I froze them solid, dropped them into the water tank, and the difference was immediate. The air blowing out was genuinely chilly. It felt like standing in front of an open refrigerator door. It is highly effective for spot cooling, and because the water tank is nicely sized, it ran for hours before I needed to even think about refilling it. You know what else I loved? It is remarkably quiet. Unlike the jet engine noise of the Uthfy, the MEPTY hums along at a very manageable volume. I could easily take a phone call or watch YouTube videos without feeling like I was competing with the appliance. It creates a really pleasant white noise that is actually kind of relaxing. 2. EUHOMY 8000 BTU portable air conditioners. Similar to the HUMHOLD, this is a true portable air conditioner, but it takes a higher spot on the list because of its sheer efficiency and compact design. This is for the person who wants genuine, humidity-destroying cold air in a smaller, much more manageable package. I tested the EUHOMY in my home office, which is a notoriously hot room that gets direct sunlight all afternoon. Within 15 minutes of turning this unit on, the room completely transformed. It pushes out aggressively cold air. It does not just make you feel cooler, it genuinely lowers the ambient temperature of the room fast and effectively. Here is what matters with this unit. It is incredibly energy efficient. Sometimes running a portable AC can make you dread your electricity bill, but the EUHOMY is designed to maintain temperatures without constantly running the compressor at maximum power. It has a fantastic sleep mode that gradually adjusts the temperature overnight, ensuring you stay comfortable without waking up freezing or wasting power. I also really appreciated the build quality. Everything from the wheels to the control panel feels premium and durable. It does not rattle, it does not shake, and the minimal venting setup is the easiest I have ever dealt with. It took me less than 5 minutes to get it fully operational straight out of the box. Mountman Swamp Cooler. I was genuinely blown away by this machine. If you want the ultimate cooling experience without dealing with a single hose or window bracket, this is the unit you need to buy right now. What makes the Mountman stand out immediately is its thoughtful engineering. It has a massive water tank capacity, meaning I was able to run this thing all day and well into the night without constantly hovering over it with a water pitcher. The top fill design is brilliant. You literally just pour water into the top without having to bend down or remove clunky, heavy trays. The cooling performance is nothing short of incredible. I set this up in my living room on a 90-degree day. I loaded the top tray with ice, and the air it produced was freezing. It uses high-density cooling pads that absorb water so effectively that the air passing through drops in temperature significantly. It genuinely dropped my living room temperature and made the space perfectly comfortable. Let me explain why it beats the rest. It manages to deliver extreme cooling power while remaining shockingly quiet. The fan motor is highly refined, pushing massive volumes of air without that horrible mechanical drone. The oscillation is smooth, the remote control works from across the room, and it even has different wind modes that mimic a natural outdoor breeze. The Mountman is the total package. It proves that you do not need an exhaust hose to beat the summer heat. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.